how long should be a page of content? So I think you're referring to a landing page. How long should be a short form or a long form? It really depends on how much of the heavy lifting you want your landing page to do. So if there is a big ask, so if you're asking somebody to take out their credit card and buy some stuff from you, be it of small value or higher value, it really doesn't matter, but you're asking them to make a purchase, then you need to convince them a bit more with your content, with testimonials, with the benefits, features, and whatnot, how it can solve their problem, and why your solution is the best one out there, and so on. Whereas if you are asking for a name and email to opt into a masterclass or a webinar or a download a cheat sheet or something like that, you don't need to do a lot of heavy lifting. All you need to do is to create a short page with a strong headline, subheadline, and maybe 3 or 4 bullet points, and perhaps a photo or a video. And that will pretty much do the job for you. So what you want to do is to see if a page is not converting. That means that the content is not convincing your website visitor. Before that, you need to check your targeting, your keywords. Are you driving the right quality of traffic to your landing page? And then you decide whether it's going to be a short form video or a long form, not video, a short form page or a long form page. I'll just go and show one of our pages where we've got the logo at the top. You guys can see it properly. Yeah. Logo at the top, strong headline. In this VIP masterclass, you are going to do these 4 bullet points, a call to action. Then I've got my logos over here. But what I've done over here is I'm testing. I put in some photos and images here of where I'm speaking to build up my authority, and that is a very short form landing page. So it hasn't got a lot of content. This will take you less than a couple of hours, if that, to create a page like this. So don't spend days or weeks on creating a simple landing page like this. This is obviously for lead generation. And when they click on this, you get the form to fill in, and then they get access to the landing page where the video is to watch the masterclass. So hope that helps. So if you're asking a lot or asking for someone to buy a product, then you need a bit more content. If it's a name and email, then you need less. That's how we in the agency work. But there's no right way or the wrong way. You test both of them and see which converts better.